In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Canva without cropping it. First things first, you'll need to head over to Canva, so open up your browser and go to their official website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in on the home page. Click on that, and it will prompt you to continue the login process. If you're using a Google account, go ahead and select your account from the list to continue with the authentication. You might need to click on the Continue button a couple of times to fully sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva dashboard with all your past projects. Next, select the project or image you want to resize. If you've never tried resizing before, you might have noticed that simply dragging the corners of an image can sometimes result in cropping. This is because the current dimensions may not fit the new page size completely. But don't worry, we will work around that. Once your image is selected, look towards the top of the page for the Position button. This will give you important details like the width and height of your image. It's a good idea to make a note of these dimensions, as we'll need them shortly. Now direct your attention to the Resize button, also located at the top of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select the option for a custom size. Here's where you'll enter the dimensions you noted earlier. Keep in mind that Canva doesn't accept decimals, so you'll need to round the numbers either up or down to fit the tool's requirements. After you've entered the new dimensions, choose the Resize this design option. It might take a few moments for this to process, so be patient as your design resizes. Once it loads, your image will have been resized without any cropping. Now you can extend the image to fit your desired canvas size without any unwanted cropping. Feel free to drag the edges or corners of the image to fit your page as needed. Adjust it until you're happy with how it looks. And there you have it, you've successfully resized an image without cropping in Canva. As always, save your changes and your newly resized image is ready to use. This method is great because it retains the whole image while allowing you to fit it into whatever design requirement you might have without losing any part of your image, keeping your design cohesive and complete. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.